This is TWiT.
Yandex, the Russian Google, is apparently harvesting data from millions of iOS apps and sending them to Russia, whether or not you use the company's apps. Your data, this is from 9 to 5 Mac, Financial Times article. A security researcher discovered the code which sends data to Russia, and FT says it's independently verified the claims. Russia's biggest internet company has embedded code into apps found on mobile devices. Zach Edwards first made the discovery as part of an app auditing campaign for the Me2B Alliance, a nonprofit. FT had 4 independent experts. They ran tests, same thing. I wish there were a list here. Among the apps, so this was a service called App-Metrica. So that, that's an easy sell to some app developers. Hey, you want to know how your users are using it? You've seen the checkbox. Send information back to the developer. Among the apps with App-Metrica installed are games, messaging apps, location sharing tools, hundreds of virtual private networks. 7 VPNs are made specifically for a Ukrainian audience. That may be really why they want this, right? Hundreds of millions of installs of the App-Metrica SDK, according to app figures. So I don't know what to say about that.
It's just hard to know. It's a lot like when you hear reports, but this is sending information back to China. This is sending information back to but there are private corporations in China, just like there are private corporations in the United States that like to monetize all this kinds of data. Obviously, the fact that of what's going on in Russia, and the fact that there are laws that say that, hey, if you collected data, we the government have a right to get at that data as well, makes things a little bit scary. But this in and of itself isn't a big problem. If anything, it just highlights the fact that there's so much embedded in all the apps and all the services that we use that it's impossible to know where our data is going and who it's being exploited by.